What's up, you guys? So, my girlfriend was working from this desk and she was tired of sitting and she's going to be working home for a while. So, decided to pick her up a desk from Autonomous. So I'm just going to do an unboxing and probably just do a time lapse of setting it all up and give you guys an idea of what we think about it, what she thinks about it in the next week or two, and hopefully maybe this will help you guys decide if you want to get this desk or not. So here we go. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this thing, and the box is looking like they're in good shape, so they didn't get banged around too bad during shipping. And we'll unbox it and see how everything looks. Alright, so kind of filming in a tight space here. Well, yeah, wow, this top's pretty nice. It's pretty heavy, super sturdy. It's nice and smooth. So these are like the pass-throughs for the cables and whatnot. This thing's real nice. Doesn't seem like it'll scratch very easily, and it's solid. I don't know if it's like a particle board, like laminated particle board, but it doesn't have like any edging on it, so it's like nice and smooth, so you don't have to worry about that peeling. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit and then unbox the base. Okay, now let's unbox the base. Man, everything so far seems very stout and high quality, which is why we went with this brand, because it had really good reviews. So yeah, everything is put super nicely, nice, tight, and snug in this styrofoam. So now we're gonna put it together. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. So when I ordered this through Autonomous, they sent an email to me, and it actually comes with an assembly video guide, so I'm going to go ahead and watch that before I look at the instructions and all that good stuff. So it's pretty cool. You hit the link and it sends you straight to YouTube, and yeah, it should be an assembly video, so hopefully this helps out. Pretty sweet. Okay, you guys, so this comes with the Allen wrenches that you need to assemble this, but it also has Phillips head screws, so you will need your own Phillips head screwdriver because it does not come with the desk. Okay, I'm going to start assembling this. I'm going to fast forward it so you guys don't have to watch me build the whole thing. And like I said, they have a detailed YouTube tutorial on how to assemble it. Another thing, you guys, what's really nice is these are clearly labeled if they're M6, M8, and then of course you have your two Allen wrenches. So that's pretty nice, and screws to attach the base. So pretty sweet. Alright, you guys, so I did kind of cheat. Instead of using the included Allen wrenches, I don't know if you've ever used these, but sometimes they could be a pain, just having to keep turning it, or if it's knocking into something. So I just have a ratcheting screwdriver that you can change the bits out. So that's the only thing I did differently. It's coming together really well and super easy. So far, it's a thumbs up. Alright, guys, so I got the desk all put together. It's pretty nice. You could it comes with these sticky kind of like zip tie things for the cord management. everything lined up real nice. I'm pretty pleased with how easily this thing came together. I didn't even have to look at the instructions. All I did was looked at the video and followed the instructions on the video. And now we're going to plug it in and see how it works. Okay, so in the instructions it says to hold the up and down button at the same time until you hear a beep, and then the desk will lower. Sweet. Wow, that's pretty high. Nice. So, as you guys could hear, it's not very loud. I read some complaints on some other cheaper models or cheaper, brands, where they complained of the electric motors being quite loud, and this one seems to be very quiet. And I don't know, we'll see how my girlfriend likes it. So it looks like 29.5 inches. So there's like a LCD display here to display the height of the desk. 29.5 is the lowest. And let's see what the highest is. Looks like 48.4 inches, and that's quite high. I mean, it's at my chest height. I'm only 5'9", but it seems like this desk will work for most people. So, like I said, putting it together was like quite easy, and all I did was watch the video to put it together. Went together really nicely, and all the holes matched up. The threads weren't all wonky or anything like that, so it was super easy to put together, and I'm really pleased with the quality so far. Like I said, all the materials seem really solid. The metal is nice. The top, it seems like you could spill something on this and it won't. It's not like a laminate or anything like that. It's like some sort of like solid surface, if you will. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully this helps you make a decision and or eases your mind on putting one of these together, because like I said, it was quite easy, and give it a thumbs up. Alright you guys, so I got the desk all put together, and this is what she looks like now. This is my girlfriend's office area, so we'll see how she likes it. Just gotta do something with these cords down here for the printer and paper shredder and whatnot. But other than that, just do some cord management on that. Just clean it up a little bit. But I think she will like it. I'll let you guys know what she thinks. And yeah.